My Instagram account was disabled for a good 34 days. Seriously. And in this video, I'm going to share with you my honest experience of why my account was disabled, how I got it back, and most of all, how this whole experience turned out to be a blessing in disguise. But before I start, I'd like to say firstly, thank you so very much to all of you who were so kind to reach out to me via other social media platforms to check if I was doing okay after you noticed I was missing on IG. Seriously, all of you rock. Now back to my story of my account getting disabled. On the 27th of April, shortly after I logged into my IG account, I suddenly got locked out of my account. A notification popped up on my screen telling me that my account has been disabled due to suspicious activity. Suspicious activity usually means someone bought likes or views or something to that effect. In my case, I believe what they might be referring to is that someone else is using my account from another location. This someone else is my social media manager, who helps me to manage most of my notifications. Truth be told, I need such assistance because sometimes the notifications can be really overwhelming. I end up having no time for my clients, for my family, or to manage any other part of my business. When I saw the pop-up telling me my account was disabled, I was in total shock. I felt broken that my account, which had over 5 years of work, was just taken away from me, just like that. When I tried to log in again, a pop-up came up asking me to verify my account to confirm that I was not a robot, and by answering certain security questions like what is my phone number and yada yada. Then another pop-up appeared telling me that they would get back to me within 24 hours after verifying my details. I waited and waited. It drove me nuts. I waited for 48 hours, but nope, no news, no emails, nothing. Therefore, I decided to get in touch with the Facebook support team. They then told me usually such cases take about 5 days. I told them this account is really important to me. It has over 5 years plus of work invested in it. I asked them if there was any possible way that they could expedite their investigation, and if they need any other documents from me just to speed up the process, just let me know. But their answer, they will inform the IG team and I just have to wait for the results. Not very helpful. Since the time my account got disabled, I've contacted the Facebook support team at least 5 times. Why? Because there were simply no updates whatsoever given to me and I was going out of my mind. By the 3rd week of May, I started to give up on the idea of ever getting back my account. I know I'm a small fry, so why should Facebook care about an insignificant account such as mine? And I told myself, why am I stressed up about this anyway? So what if it doesn't come back? It isn't the end of the world. In fact, I've come to realize that it was a blessing in disguise. And here's why I say that. The first lesson I've learned through this experience is nothing is really ever ours. We all say, my account, my channel, but is it really? We may have an account on a certain social media platform, but nothing is ours. The only thing that is ours is our mind, body, and soul. So don't ever be too emotionally attached to anything other than your mind, body, and soul. Number 2, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Luckily, I have other social media platforms that are working really well for me. Example, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, and Pinterest. So if Facebook and Instagram doesn't welcome me, so be it. It's beyond my control. Plus, you don't need to be on all platforms. Find out which platforms your target audience likes to hang out at and which you find resonates with you the most. Try to have at least 2 to 3 platforms working for you always, because if you only focus on one social media platform, then A, you never know when one day you might just lose your account for whatever reason, and B, one day a new big player may just come out of thin air and wipe out another big player in a blink of an eye, and you'll lose all your social credibility. Example, when Facebook appeared and wiped out Friendster. Number 3, take a dance social media detox break whenever you need it. I think if my account wasn't disabled, I would never have taken a short social media break. And really, it turned out to be awesome. When my account was disabled, I was worried about losing followers, losing clients, losing a big chunk of what I've built. But the moment I stopped being anxious and really assessed the level of damage done by losing my IG account, frankly, it was quite minimal. Losing my account didn't kill me. And furthermore, my follower count didn't drop at all, which was totally amazing. My followers and friends are really the best. You guys, you rock. So to all of you watching this video, if you got your account disabled, you'll be just fine. Take a deep breath. Those people who really cared about me as a friend or clients who really wanted to work with me somehow found a way to connect with me via other social media platforms or even via email. And I'm very sure that your friends and clients who really care about you will do the same. This past month, producing lesser content, having more time with my family, launching my mindful eating course, having time to finish other side projects I have for my website, reading books I love, all this has given me so much inner joy and peace. So truth be told, when Facebook emailed me on the 30th of May, apologizing for this mistake and restored my account, I felt ambivalent. A part of me was a little happy to get it back, but another part of me was unhappy. I didn't know what to feel about getting back the account. Please, to all of you watching, please prioritize your health and mental well-being. Take a break from social media whenever you need to. Your mind, body, and soul will thank you for it. Now I'd like to hear from you. Have you ever got your Instagram account disabled before or faced other issues while using Instagram? I'd love to hear your story. If you'd like to connect with me on other social media platforms, I've listed out all my social accounts in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next episode of Thrive with Trish.